thing, orientation program, they will also have this advantage of watching the recorded session. So one instruction is please keep your mic switched off until you want to speak. Until then, you can keep it switched off so that there will be no disturbance. Unlike this YouTube live, this is a Google Meet where you will be visible, you will be audible. So whenever you want to be visible or you want to speak, you can switch on your mic or video camera. Otherwise, you can just follow. Yeah, language of communication is English because most of the people who have joined are from Your Health in Your Hands English workshop. So if at all, is there anyone who is unable to follow English? You can just type it in your chat window. And as Kartika has noted, some of you have not joined WhatsApp group. So the link to join the WhatsApp groups, Swasthya Raksha Program 3, SRP 3 WhatsApp group has been sent already to your email. Just click the link and you can join the WhatsApp group so that you will not miss any kind of updates. You will regularly get all the links to further Google Meet sessions or any instructions, homework, everything you will get. So please join the WhatsApp group. It is mandatory to join the WhatsApp group. And someone is saying audio is not there. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Saraswati, the link for SRP3 WhatsApp group will be sent to your email ID. If not now, we will send you after that. Okay. So some people who have not attended Your Health in Your Hands workshop, please understand that we are going to include around 66 tasks for the next 14 days every day. And the scientific reason behind practicing these tasks has been explained in detail in Your Health in Your Hands workshop, both in Telugu language and in English language. So I strongly recommend all of you to watch this Your Health in Your Hands workshop. This is a must for all of us, so that there will not be any confusion or questions why we are practicing all these things. So the scientific reason why we are practicing this will be explained here. Dr. Manju madam, you are presenting your video to the audience. So if you stop, please don't press the present now button. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. And all the other people, please don't press the present now button on your phone. That will show your video to us. So you would like to see my presentation, right? So I will be giving you a orientation, what to do, how to go about this whole process. I will give in detail. And you can also keep your mic muted so that the sound will not come. Whenever you want to speak, you want to ask any question. Again, Mrs. Manju madam, you are again presenting your screen to the audience. Okay. Thank you. Mohan Naidu garu, Your Health in Your Hands. Madam, you are repeatedly presenting your screen to all of us. So, is there any way you can stop presenting? Please don't press the button. Yeah. So please join the WhatsApp group. We will send you the links to Your Health in Your Hands English workshop and Telugu workshop links. So it is strongly recommended to watch all the videos so that it will be very, very comfortable for you to follow all the instructions of this particular workshop, this whole thing. And well, I welcome you all to this wonderful journey we are going to start together from tomorrow onwards. All of you have, most of you have filled your mind body constitution questionnaire and we got your results. Some of you have not filled them. So I again recommend you to fill it as early as possible and send it today itself. And some of you got calls from our doctors and some of you have not received calls. If you have already joined the WhatsApp link, Kartika or Tulsidas, please type the WhatsApp link, joining link in this particular chat window, so that those people who have not joined, they will click and immediately join right now. So once you join, it will be easy for us to send every detail. We will be always in touch with you, and WhatsApp is the way in which we will communicate with you, because some of you are not from India, so we will not be able to call international calls. So WhatsApp will be the easiest way to call you people and keep in touch with you regularly to send you all the instructions. So these are some certain instructions, and those people who have not joined SRP3 and still here to learn what is about SRP3, if someone is like that, there is a link in the chat window in which you can just click and you can join Swastharaksha Program 3. You can register for it. So the link is also there in the chat window. So info@CHDHC is posting the link. Please join here. And yes, Mohan Rayudu garu, we will definitely share Your Health in Your Hands workshop in the WhatsApp group. And yes, so as you all know, this wonderful Swastharaksha journey is about to begin. We will be helping you to understand this life transformative journey to achieve perfect health. This program is something which we strongly believe it is important for every one of us, because we all know what is the right thing to do, but we fail to implement it because we don't have systems which enable us to follow all the good things, and the systems which will help us strengthen ourselves, systems which will regularly remind us to do the good things, systems which will help us eliminate our bad habits. We need such strong systems. As you all know, you do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. So your system should be very strong enough to keep you always in the right track, so that you will reach your goal of perfect health, right? So in an Olympics, all the athletes will have the goal of getting the gold medal, but certain people always consistently win and certain people consistently lose, and the difference between the winners and losers is not having or having the perfect system to implement whatever is needed to achieve the goal. So we are presenting this system, the exact way, the method, easiest training, so that you will be able to easily implement whatever we have discussed until now. So this is the way forward. I will tell you certain aspects of Swastharaksha program. As you all know, this is a 14-day life transforming workshop. We transform your food habits, we transform our daily life schedule to attain perfect health. We will hold your hand to help you coexist with nature. We will hold your hand and we'll take you along with us, and we'll put your hand in the hand of Mother Nature. Once you practice this coexistence with Mother Nature, everything will be easy for you. It will be a cakewalk. This journey will be very, very smooth, and it will be ultimate goal for all of us to achieve perfect health, and it will be easily achieved. And here, as we have discussed already, a doctor will be assigned as a life coach to help you kickstart this health journey. So already we have assigned doctors for you, and doctors will make separate WhatsApp groups for you people, for only the, like there is one doctor, Dr. Rajani, Dr. Sushila, Dr. Tulsidas, Dr. Kavita. So all these doctors will have their own groups in which you will be assigned, your doctor will be assigned to you. So doctor will assess your mind body constitution questionnaire thoroughly, and they will call you and take you no take you through a list of questions, so that we will understand your health condition, your occupation, your habits, and all those things. And doctor will help you design a daily routine based on your constitution, your health conditions, your occupation, your habitat, everything. And we have a doctor, we have a person to remind you to perform all these required activities from time to time. And of course, doctor will answer your doubts, doctor will assist you to resolve all the difficulties you get in the training program, and doctor will fix a time when you can chat live to ask your questions daily. So you can regularly chat online with your doctor, with your personal health coach. Of course, whenever you get a doubt, you can immediately send a message, and whenever doctor is free, doctor will answer, will try to resolve the doubts in the chat window in the message itself. But if the doctor is unable to clear your doubts, doctor himself or herself will call you and resolve all your doubts. That is very important. Doctor will regularly call you, but please don't call the doctor, because doctor should handle so many people like you. So it is better to let the doctor choose the time. Of course, your time which is comfortable to you, and the doctor's time, doctor himself or herself will adjust so that you will be comfortable in the time when they call you. And we will also have 4 special live sessions which I will conduct apart from this particular session. And all your questions and doubts, everything, I will be there in all your groups. In all the groups of individual doctors, I will be there. I will monitor the questions you are asking. I will also answer whenever I can answer, whenever I need to answer. And as I told you, to respect the privacy of doctors, call them only when scheduled, or call them in emergency. Whenever you feel like this is an emergency, please call them only at that time, because their time is also very important. Along with you, they are also practicing all these 66 health tasks. Only we allow those doctors who practice these things to coach others, so they will also have their own this thing. So if you look at this whole program, this program is like a vehicle to take you through a wonderful journey, and it will take you towards perfect health. And there are 4 wheels to this training program. So one wheel is your determination. You people have attended this 7 days Your Health in Your Hands workshop from many parts of this country and many parts of this world, and many people have got up early in the morning and sat before your computer, the mobile phone, and with lot of determination you have understood everything. You have asked so many doubts, you got cleared, then you have joined the Telegram group, and now you have joined this Swastraksha program. I understand that you have this strong willpower, determination to transform your health, complete lifestyle, and reach this goal called perfect health. So your determination is the first wheel for this vehicle. And the second wheel is the personal health coach, the doctor whom we will assign to you. And the doctor will help you in every step, each and every step, wherever a hurdle happens. Normally people stop the journey wherever they get a big hurdle. So we are here to handhold you, help you cross the hurdle and reach the goal, and we will be there always with you. So the health coach is another important part of this health journey. And the another most important part is the health tracker. So we will give you a tool called Health Tracker, and this tracker will help you in so many ways. It will help you in designing your own daily schedule. It will help you in not forgetting the most important tasks, like observing your own body, observing your breath pattern, observing your mental condition before eating food, observing your breath pattern in various situations of your life, in various conditions, in various points of time. All these things we will be able to observe by using this health tracker, which is very, very powerful. It will show you an overall picture, the whole 14 days, how you are able to follow this tracker, how you are able to do these tasks, where you are lagging, everything. It will give an idea to you. It will also give an idea to your own health coach, so that health coach will easily be able to guide you in so many ways. And then we have reminders. We have 2 people who will regularly remind you thrice a day. If you are not waking up, we will give you a wake up call. If you are not sending your tracker in the afternoon, we will again give you a call asking you to send the tracker. If you are not sending your tracker in the night, we will again call you and ask you to send the tracker. So for that, we need to adjust our time, because some people are from Kuwait, some people are from US, that to different states of US. So you need to tell us what is your time, when will be your sunrise, what is the time Brahmi Muhurta of your place, and what is your lunch time, what is your dinner time, so that we can regularly remind you. So all these 4 wheels together will help you in a smooth journey, wonderful journey, so that you will reach perfect health. Here are some instructions. So these 14 days we will give you certain simple things to follow, and sometimes they might feel strange if you have not listened to Your Health in Your Hands workshop. If you have already listened to it, you will understand the scientific reason behind each and every task. If you have not listened to it, they might seems strange, then you have to go back and listen to it, or you can ask your coach what is the scientific reason behind performing all these tasks. They will definitely help you. You have to track every action you do during this time, each and every action. You have to in the boxes of the health tracker, you have to write the time, so that we will understand what time you are performing, whether you are performing or not. Everything we will easily able to see what you are doing. So take the help of doctors to clear all your doubts. Take the help of your family members to follow the regimen, which is very, very important. Unless and until you have the support of your family members, you will not be able to adjust so many tasks in your daily routine without disturbing your regular tasks, without disturbing your regular job. We don't want you to set aside everything and only follow these things. We want you to do whatever you are doing already, and also include these things in your regular job, regular routine. That is what we want you to do. If you go to a ashram, if you go to a health resort, and you do forget everything and just follow these health tasks, then you might be able to do it easily. When you get back to the normal life, then again it becomes difficult. So we want you to be in your normal life and practice all these 66 health tasks. For that, you need the help of your family members. And always schedule an appointment for audio call. So if at all you want to speak with your health coach, you have to take an appointment. You should say that I want to speak with you, and the doctor will call you. Please don't call the doctor. Doctor will call you according to the appointment. But messages, whenever, as and when you get it out, you can send messages. And if at all you have any specific health problems for which you need a specialized prescription and specialized care, your doctor will guide you how to contact me. My email ID is there, info@arogyadayatri.com. Your queries will directly come to me. I will ask you more questions. If needed, I will call you and I will send you a prescription that is for your specific health problems. So don't expect the health coaches to immediately give you prescriptions, because we wanted this to be, we want them not to get disturbed with personal health problems. Of course, they will guide you. They will take your personal health condition into consideration while helping you in designing your own health routine. But if you want medication, if you want a prescription, I will be the person who will be doing it. And general questions, you have your own respective WhatsApp groups. You will be joined in your own respective groups. General questions, you can be, you will be asked, you can ask whatever general questions you want to ask. You feel that this will question, the answer to this question will help other members also, you can post it in any group. And this Swasthya Raksha group SRP3 has already been designed, added, and the link to join has been sent to all your emails. If you have not joined, we will again send it to your cell phone number and also to your email. You can join this group, and there I will give general instructions daily, but you will have your own separate group with your own doctor. Of course, I will also be there in that group. So there is the place where you ask all your questions. And coaching for yourself, this is what we are doing, coaching for yourself. We are not bothered about your body. You and yourself will be bothered about your body. Yourself will take care of your body. We will help yourself. We will help yourself understand what is the right way of living. We will impart right knowledge to yourself, so that self will take a decision whether this is the right thing to do for my body or not. And once yourself takes your decision, your body will follow it. So yourself should coexist seamlessly with your body. Then only as a human being we will coexist and coexist seamlessly in self and body. And slowly we will start coexisting with our family members, and our family will start coexisting with our society, and the society will coexist in live in harmony with our nature. And we all together can dream of and also make it possible the wonderful dream of having a healthy society, where doctors will not earn more and more money by treating more and more people. All the people under the care of those doctors, if they don't fall sick, if they don't have to use any medicine at any point of time in their life, that particular kind of doctors, if they grow more and more and they earn more and more money by taking care of the people under their care, that is the kind of society we are visualizing, healthy society, where you don't have to worry about coronavirus or hantavirus or any other infection or lifestyle disorders. So this is the first step to achieve that society. So like we have certain health tasks. If you have seen this Your Health in Your Hands workshop, am I audible to you, all of you people? Because I am not looking at the Google Meet, this thing. I am just looking at my presentation. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Thank you so much. So most of you have attended Your Health in Your Hands workshop, English workshop, and some of you have attended Telugu workshop. Those who have not attended, I strongly recommend you to attend at least two lectures in a day, so that within 3 days you will be able to complete all the lectures. So two lectures means it will be around 2 hours or 2.5 hours. So if you see the whole entire gist of these 7 days English workshop can be transformed into a number of certain number of health tasks, and they can be categorized like this. So the first category is observing your body. So as I told you, a body and self are two different entities. A body is separate, a self is separate, needs of the body are separate, needs of a self are separate. That we all know. Needs of the body are physical facilities which will help us in nurturing the body, protecting the body, and utilizing the body in a right way. And needs of the self is completely different. Self needs happiness, self needs trust, respect, affection, love, care, guidance, and so many other feelings we need, like gratitude, etc. So self needs are different, body's needs are different, but it is the self which needs right understanding. And once the self is having right understanding, right knowledge, it will help the body in right living, and to help the body in, to stay always in a state of perfect health. So the self, it is the self which should observe the body. What it should observe? First, it should observe the breath pattern. How am I breathing? Am I breathing shallow or deep using my nose, or am I doing the abdominal breathing, diaphragmatic breathing, or only shallow breathing? And how is my breath in various conditions? When I am tense, when I am feeling anger, when I am feeling fear, when I am in different situations, just before my food, just before sleep, just after getting up, how is my breath pattern? I have to observe. And regularly we need to observe the signals body is sending regarding hunger, whether I'm having hunger, whether I'm not feeling hunger, even if the time for eating food is there already, whether I'm feeling thirsty, what are the symptoms of thirst, like I have explained in detail in the Your Health in Your Hands workshop. So whether my body is feeling strong or feeling weak, whether my bones, joints, muscles, they are feeling flexible or they are more rigid, whether I am able to withstand physical strain. If at all I am doing some physical activity, cleaning my house or moving things here and there or doing something, whether I am able to withstand this thing, whether I am able to withstand the change in temperature. Suddenly summer is there and I go out and there is no AC. Am I able to withstand this excess increase in temperature? Am I able to withstand the change in temperature? Suddenly from sun to I go to the AC, or from AC to I go to the hot sun. Am I able to withstand the change in temperature? Am I able to withstand change in weather? Suddenly it's raining here in Hyderabad, it is raining. In Visakhapatnam the temperature, weather has changed. Suddenly, due to the change in weather, many people experience so many disturbances in their own health. Are we able to withstand the change in weather, temperature, and other things? So we need to observe continuously our body, and body will send so many beautiful signals. And once we learn the art of communicating with our own body, we will understand even the minutest changes, and we will be able to simply alter our diet, alter our routine, and we will be able to stay healthy always. We will never go to a position where we have to face the disease. So we need to observe.
Sir, excuse me,
Yes.
sir. మీ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ ఏమైనా చూపిస్తున్నారా సార్?
Presentation కనబడలేదా?
అంటే నాకు కనపడట్లేదు ఒకసారి.
Okay, just a moment. My presentation is not visible.
No, sir. Only screensaver is visible.
Oh, sorry. I'm really sorry. Is it visible now?
Yes, now it's okay. Yes.
Yeah. So previously I have shown this. Nothing interesting in the previous this thing. So the present slide is interesting actually. Okay. I'm sorry, I thought I was visible. So now, after observing our body, next part is observing ourself. Observing ourself, we are observing ourselves through ourselves. Self is observing our own self. So we need to observe whether we are full with enthusiasm, or sometimes we feel lethargy. What time you are feeling enthusiasm, what time you are feeling this lethargic this thing, and what is our reaction to stress. Some people, when they are facing stress, immediately they feel this tension, anxiety. Some other people might feel anger and irritability, and some other people will feel depressed and they go back to their own shell. So our reaction towards stress varies according to our own mind body constitution. We need to observe how we are reacting to stress in various conditions, and how we are reacting to various challenges. There are so many challenges we face every day, and how we are facing these challenges, how our self is able to withstand in various conditions, that also we have to observe continuously. And like, are we feeling this having this feeling of prosperity? Prosperity is the feeling of having more than what we require, or having the knowledge that we can earn more than what we require. If we have that feeling of prosperity, we will always be happy. If we have the feeling of deprivation, if we think that I don't have enough physical facilities, I have to earn more and more, if we have such feeling, even if you are having crores and crores in your bank, you will never have this feeling of prosperity, and you will never be able to share with others. You will never be able to contribute to others. In fact, people who have this feeling of deprivation, they will think that they have to save more, or they have to exploit others. So we have to observe what is happening in our own self. Then whether we have the feeling of trust, we have the feeling of fear, feeling of superiority or inferiority, or feeling of equality with everyone around us, that we need to observe regularly. And then if you have attended the Your Health in Your Hands workshop, you will understand that we have to regularly cleanse, protect and strengthen all our sense organs and internal organs. Further, we have certain tasks like brushing and tongue cleaning, and using only non-chemical things. We recommend, we make it mandatory to use all the things which are non-chemical things. So if we don't have such things, we will teach you how to prepare them at your own home, to brush your teeth and to clean your tongue. Don't use any plastic tongue cleaner, doing oil pulling, putting nasal drops, and washing your eyes, doing exercise to your eyes, ear highs and ear drops, ear massage, skin hygiene, oil massage, using herbal bath powder instead of soap and shampoo. All these things we will teach you how to prepare at home, and we ask you to seriously practice all these things for the next 14 days. To give it a try, even if you are not convinced completely, give it a try and see what happens, because we got exceptional feedback from the first 2 batches. Just now we have completed the closing valedictory section of the second batch of Swasthya program from 4 to 5 in the evening. So they have given wonderful, tremendous feedback. They said that it has transformed their life, but I don't want you to listen to them. I want you to experience all these things. So I want you to practice it, give it a try. And then physical activity, we have to plan our physical labor, the day-to-day activities in which we get exercise like gardening, cleaning, going to the shop, bringing vegetables, exercise. And then exercise which is specific to specific muscles. And our doctor, who is a physiotherapist, Dr. Sushila, will regularly post various different kinds of exercises in our group, which you can see and practice. Certain exercises to lose weight. You can keep a goal of losing at least 3 to 5 kilos in these just 14 days. You can keep a goal, and we will help you achieve that goal. We will give you various kinds of exercises, and specifically to your health condition. If you have back pain and neck pain or knee joint pain, different kind of exercises. Shoulder pain, different kind of exercises. Thyroid, different kind of exercises. Diabetes, different kind of exercises. So we will show you, and you can practice all those things. And of course, physical activity while playing with your kids and family members, you have to include it, and you will see that the bond with your family members will get very, very strengthened. So that also you have to include, and exposing your body to sunlight and planning all these activities, whether doing Surya Namaskar or yogasanas or exercise or activity or playing with your kids while you are exposed to your sunlight is also very important that you can plan. And then strengthening of self, you need to do so many things to strengthen yourself. For example, doing regular pranayam, meditation. We have discussed the scientificity of all those things. And regular practice of silence or sunya sthiti, non-judgment, practicing awareness, doing spiritual practices, prayers, whatever you are already doing. And the most important thing is affirmations and visualizations. You need to visualize yourself as a transformed person. You need to practice, write some affirmations like, day by day, in every way, I am getting better and better. There are so many affirmations like that which you can repeat daily, so that you will be able to remind yourself, you will be able to motivate yourself to practice all these tasks. And then reading wonderful literature. We have a strong list of recommendations which we will give it to you, so you can start reading these good books which we got a lot of help from. You can also start reading them, or you can choose your own set of books to read. And then apart from the regular tasks which we recommend, we strongly recommend you to at least keep 2 personal goals which you wanted to do from long before but you are unable to do. Take the help of your personal health coach so that you will be able to practice and do these personal goals which you want to, like whatever habits you want to quit, or habits you want to implement, or things you want to start doing, or things you want to quit doing. All these things you can just keep at minimum 2 to 3 personal goals which are different from others. These things for strengthening yourself. The nourishment of your body, you have to discuss with your doctor to choose the right food. You have to eat it in the right time, and before eating the food you need to observe your body, your mind, what is happening in your body, whether you are feeling hunger or not, whether your mind is agitated, irritated, depressed. Then you should not eat immediately. You have to practice some meditation before eating food, and not sleeping immediately after food, practicing Vajrasana after food. There are so many tasks which we have already there in this thing. And as far as your work is concerned, whether you are sitting before a computer or standing a whole day, or you are a homemaker doing so many household activities, you need to take care of your eyes, you need to take care of your posture, you need to take care of your spine, and you need to ensure that there is proper ventilation in your kitchen, in your office, in your wherever you are working. And you have to plan your work rightly, because of your mind body constitution. Some people get the energy in bursts and they need regular intervals of rest. Some people have a steady flow of energy and they can work continuously. So according to their own constitution, they can plan their own work, and you can take the help of your health coach in planning all these things. And of course, strengthening the relationships is the most important part of this entire Swasthya Raksha program. You need to plan these activities along with your family members, invite them, encourage them, motivate them, take their help, take their suggestions, and plan some creative activities, plan some games and plays with your kids, or with your spouse, or with your, even with your parents. You can share the household responsibilities with your spouse, with your parents, with your kids. You can discuss the whole day activities, whatever happened in your office or your workplace. You can discuss with your entire family members. You can plan together the next day. You can plan together the entire life also. You can plan. And of course, if you have small kids, you can have a nice story time in the night time. All these things you need to include in your activities. Of course, switching off the light at 9:30 p.m. we have emphasized enough in the whole workshop. So you know that the elixir called Amrita, called this melatonin, will be secreted in your body once you switch off your lights at 9:30 p.m. It starts getting secreted at 9 o'clock. So this is very, very important for us to. This is very, very important for all of us to do. At 9:30 p.m. we have to switch off our lights, and 10 o'clock we have to sleep. This is the most important part of this entire session. So of course, if you don't get sleep instantly, you can practice this foot massage, head massage. Take the help of your spouse to get this foot massage. You can give nice foot massage or head massage to your spouse, to your kids, to your parents. And if you don't still feel sleepy, then you can practice meditation before sleeping. And of course, you can take the help of your health coach to get some simple home remedies or tips or medicines for getting a proper sleep without using any addictive sleeping pills. So now if you look at the screen, this is how, if you are watching in a mobile phone, tilt it and keep it horizontal so that you will be able to see. There are so many health tasks, around 66 tasks, and these tasks you will be able to do them properly once you understand the scientific reason behind it. And you can also take our word for it. Just try them and you will see wonderful change within a week itself. Within a week, once we have again a session, you will give wonderful feedback. That is the experience we have in the past two training sessions. So there are so many sessions here. You have to write your name, your place, your date, and we will also include the doctor's name, your health coach name, and the date when you are starting this, and the health activity, what all the activities you are doing. In the boxes, you have to write the time when you are doing this activity, like in the particular date. Yes.
In the కొంచెం డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వచ్చింది కదా ఒకసారి, people are getting it or not, sir, could you please?
So am I going very fast or am I clear? You can just type in your chat window. If you need any clarification, again, I will answer all your questions. So, okay, thank you. So this health tracker might not be clearly visible to you. I have already sent it in the Your Health in Your Hands group, and we have already sent it to your emails also. Again, we will send it in the WhatsApp group. But you have to design your own health tracker. It's not like you have to just copy and paste it. So you have to design it accordingly, because there are so many other things you need to include, like your own personal tasks, personal habits which you want to implement within the next in the next 14 days, next 2 weeks. So you have to also include your affirmations, your visualizations, and the reading habits. So many things which are not there in this already. Your health coach will also help you in implementing all these things. So this is what it will look like. So before going for questions, I would like to just tell you about these habits. So we all have good habits and bad habits, but the mechanism of habits we need to understand. There are 4 parts of the habit. For every habit, there is a cue, there is a craving, there is a response, and there is a reward. Cue is the thing which will grab our attention and which will remind us of the habit. Like you are going in a lane and you are smelling some nice burger or pakodi or whatever it is. Immediately your mind craves for this eatery, whatever item it is. So that is the cue. It can be visual cue, it can be audible cue, or it can be any other cue related to the sense organ, touch or smell or anything else. So this cue is vital, and we will understand how we can use this cue to strengthen our positive habits and negate them negative habits. Then there is craving. Craving is a motivational force behind every habit. It's usually a feeling that comes after a certain act. For instance, after smelling freshly baked bread, you'll crave for it, bread or pizza or whatever it is. You won't crave the act of eating, but you will desire the outcome of that satisfying of the taste buds or something like that. This craving is always there, and whenever there is a craving, then you will actually do that act. That is the response. Then what you get is reward, the satisfaction in your brain. And if that act is really making you happy, the brain will register, and whenever the cue appears, immediately it will start giving the craving thing. So we need to focus on who we want to become. In these 14 days, we want to become a healthy person. We want to become a person who is having a wonderful daily routine. We don't want to become who is just trying. We want to become a person who is already there at the goal. For example, if a person asks, another person offers another person to have a smoke. One person answers, "No, I quit smoking." Another person says, "I am not a smoker." Both were smokers, but the second person says, "I am not a smoker." He is identifying himself with a non-smoker. If you identify yourself with a healthy person with a wonderful routine, not with a person who is just trying, you have to identify with yourself with a person who is already there. So that is the most important thing. So you have to write things down. You have to set deadlines. You have to increase that setting deadlines will increase the odds for people to stick with your own habits and goals in general. If you don't set deadlines, that will cause you heavy breathing and make you feel uncomfortable. You will never make the difference you want for yourself. That's why we set deadlines. Afternoon, you have to send the tracker. Night, you have to send the tracker. We set deadlines, and immediately we will call you if you don't send it. So that is one thing which will make you, do all these things. So people who make specific plans and set deadlines are more likely to push till the end. And your surrounding environment is very, very important. You have to make all the cues which will tempt you disappear. All the cues should disappear. Your fridge is full of sweets, chips, junk food in general. You will constantly eat these sugary delights. The more obvious and easy to obtain something is, the more you will buy it and use it. So cues which are very useful, like your sports gear, your exercise gear, your yoga mat, they should always be visible. So those habits which are very, very good, they should have cues which are very obvious. You should put all the charts, like, we say breathe check triggers. You need to paste some cards on which check your breath pattern. These cards can be stick on your stove, on your washing machine, or your desktop, or on your desk of your desktop, on your car engine or your bike, everywhere. These visual cues will help you observe your body, observe your breath pattern, observe your hunger, thirst, everything. So you have to make these cues visible so that the healthy habits will be easily done. And the cues which are which will make you crave for negative things, they should be invisible. Remove all those junk from your fridge, throw them away. Remove all those things which will tempt, hide your remote, put all the negative apps inside another folder and put it in another folder, put it in another folder, or use block site or anything which will help you stay away from these negative habits. So make them attractive, make the whole process of craving is unattractive to the negative habits and very attractive to the positive habits. And make the following all these tasks very very easy. The whole act of responding to the habit, it should be very easy if it is a very easy positive task. So wearing this sports gear or exercise gear, you should always keep them at the bedside, your shoes from the bedside. All the fruits you want to eat or healthy food, keep in every room, put it in a nice beautiful dish and keep them visible. So make it very simple, reduce the number of steps you have to do to go to achieve the task, and increase the number of steps and make it very difficult to practice negative habits. This is what we need to do. And after doing these things, reward yourself, make it very satisfying whenever you do something really useful. And of course this tracker will give you immense satisfaction once you start filling it. It's like it will be addictive, the whole positive things will get addicted, and whatever negative things are there, if you do them, make it unsatisfying by punishing yourself. Tell everyone else that you have quit smoking, quit alcohol, quit doing all these things, and if you catch me doing this, immediately punish me. Or you can write an agreement, I will give you 1,000 rupees if you catch me doing this. Like that, you make it unsatisfying to practice negative habits. So once you can do this, of course we are all here to hold your hand, to take you towards the perfect health, to take you along this journey. And once you water this wonderful plant called health, it will bloom and it will make you live long enough for 100 years without any difficulty. Recently I have read a article 3 days back in Hindu newspaper that the director of Kottakkal Aravaidyasala Pharmacy College and Hospital, the biggest one in the entire world, he's 99 years old. He just turned 99, and he did it by practicing all these health principles. Okay, so he's still running all these huge billion-dollar institutions. And how he did this? Just by practicing these healthy practices. You can also live to 100 without any kind of disabilities or difficulties or diseases. And I promise you to take you along this journey. Now I request Harigaru to share his experience, and then I will take all the questions.
Hello Sundarji, like I just wanted to not share experience. I just noticed that Swati Maliwal ji, so she is chairperson for Delhi Women Commission, right? So she is there, it seems. So
yeah,
it's a great honor to be there. She's there.
Yeah, Swati Maliwal ji is here. She is our friend, and her mother, her sister, and so many of her relatives have also joined this thing. So yes, thank you for reminding Harigaru. She is there, chairperson of Delhi Commission for Women. She is there, and she's a participant right now with us. Thank you, madam, for joining us. So now you can ask your questions. Whatever you have, you can either type it or you can just switch on your mic and ask your questions. And after this, you will get calls from our doctors, and you have to fill your questionnaires and send them to us. And you will be assigned to those doctors. And we have also given you the list of things you need to procure. Even if you have not procured, no problem. We will help you in procuring them or preparing them at your home. And you have to start with getting up early in the morning tomorrow at 5, before 5 or exactly at 5. So from there our journey will start. So if you can start preparing the health tracker right now and keep it post it in our WhatsApp group, that will be wonderful. Many of the people in the previous batches, they have prepared the health tracker immediately after the orientation program. We will send you the sample health tracker. You can accordingly prepare your own health tracker, and if you need help, we will help you. Tomorrow also you can make changes to them. So please switch on your mic and ask your questions, or you can just say, I want to speak. I will ask you to switch on your mic. Sorry for rushing it, because we have only 1 hour of time. So now is the time to ask your questions. So we have Dr. Kavita, Dr. Rajni, Dr. Tulsidas, Dr. Sushila, and we have our reminders, Mr. Pavan, our manager Kartika. All of us will be with you along with your journey, all along with you for next 14 days, 2 weeks. Sandeep Garu said he cannot see the PPT. The PPT is over, but still, it's still visible, no? The and last slide is there. VPLN Sharma ji, tomorrow 5 a.m. we will not have a meeting. Instead, we will start doing all these tasks. We will have special meetings every 2 to 3 days like this. But tomorrow we will be implementing all these things. Whatever we have learned in Your Health in Your Hands workshop. Like for example, tomorrow morning we will get up at 5 o'clock. Immediately we start observing our own body. Then we will start brushing our teeth and cleaning our tongue with only natural things. Then we will start strengthening our oral cavity by pulling the oil. Then we will put nasal drops in our nose. Benefits of SRP, okay. So as I told you, this is what we will be doing in this Vastraksha program, sir. So most important thing is the moment you get up in your group or in the main group, you have to keep good morning. And if you don't post good morning, immediately our reminder will call you and check whether you got up or not. This is one thing which will happen right from tomorrow morning itself. So again, afternoon after lunch, you have to send your filled in tracker. After dinner, again, you have to send your filled in tracker. This is what you need to do regularly. Everything else, we will take care of you. Dr. Sushila, would you like to add something?
Yes, Annaya.
Yes.
Nothing specifically. I just congratulate each and every one of the participants. I'm really happy to be here in your health journey. I'm looking forward to meet you all in my group also, as a bigger group also. So I'll be, though I have my own group, I'll be communicating with you all through my exercises, videos and everything. And if you have any special request for any particular region, like I want to reduce my upper body or lower body or strengthen my core. So if you want any... Hello? Am I audible?
Yeah, now it is okay.
Okay. Yeah. So if you have any particular request, I can make a video of that also and help you in whichever way I can. And Swati is asking something. Yeah, we will provide the all the 66 tasks to you through WhatsApp or personal email, whatever Dr. Sundar says. And of course, healthy diet also will be suggested according to your prakriti. We'll suggest a healthy diet and all the other things according to your prakriti. And if someone is interested in making millet diets and all, we can even tell some recipes which we are following, which we are trying at our homes. So once again, hearty congratulations. Welcome to this program. I hope at the end of 14th session, 14th day, you'll all be, the task will be ingrained and you'll be at your healthiest state and to be continued throughout your life in that way. Thank you so much. Looking forward to meet you all.
Thank you, Sushila.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So Mukesh Bansalji, we have this task tracker in Word document. We will send you the Word document and PDF as well. You can alter it simply because it is in Word document. And Sirisha ji, for small kids, if they are getting any rashes or something like that, then you can dilute it with more besan. Some people have allergy to besan. You need to check what are they allergic to. So your doctor will tell you in detail. And VPLN Sharma ji, immediately after this and after ending this session, we will divide all the participants and we will allot doctors, and immediately doctors will add you in their own respected groups. It will happen right now. And thank you, Swati Malewal ji. Jayanti madam, I would like to join in Telegram and WhatsApp group, sir. Yeah, Telegram. Yes, madam. We will send you the link. True, Swati madam. Right now, the world is in very dire situation. Just because our immune system is weak, we are, getting infected with so many diseases, very, very dangerous diseases. The Hanta virus is much more complicated than this coronavirus, and it is waiting. So we need to strengthen ourselves. We need to strengthen our society. All around us, everyone, each one of us, we should spread this knowledge so that everyone stays healthy, and we will also stay in a healthy society. Aisha Malewal ji, thank you so much. So I see all the nice people. Yeah, like Karthik has told already, the link to join Telegram group, all the links have been sent to your email. Aisha Malewal ji, Sandeep ji, the first person to join Swasthya program, third group. Sir, thank you so much. Ajay Kumar ji, I think you are a cousin of Shiva. And Dr. Manju ji, and Pushpalata ji, Jayanti ji, Mohan Raidu garu, Lavan Lakshmi madam, Manoj Kumar garu, Mukesh Bansal ji, Nidesh Kumar ji, Nikita madam, Sai Kumar ji, Sangeeta madam, Sarvani Murthy ji, Sridevi madam, Srikant Karnati. Sridevi garu is my friend's wife, my close friend. So Sheila, Swati Malewal ji, Venkateshu garu, Vidya Krishna, Vipilan Sharma garu, and yeah. So if you have any doubt, please type, or you can just switch on your mic. So I am here to clear any doubt. So please fill your mind-body constitution and calculate your VPK scores and send them to us in the WhatsApp group. Many people have already joined the WhatsApp group. Yes.
Also, please prepare health tracker today before sleeping. Ask them.
So we strongly recommend you to prepare the health tracker before sleeping, so that right from tomorrow morning you can use it. Of course, and you can change it if at all you want to change it.
And the program will be starting. You
can keep certain boxes empty so that you can add some other things which your doctor will suggest. You can keep boxes empty. Every 5 boxes, you can keep 1 box empty. Or every 10 boxes, you can keep 1 box empty.
Anaya.
So, as my friend is suggesting,
program will be starting today in the night when they sleep early, like 9:30 or 10. Because if they sleep very late, then it will be difficult for getting up tomorrow in the morning. So please ask everyone to sleep soon today. So it starts from today.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like not like tomorrow it is starting. If you want to get up early in the morning, you have to start from today. I request you, every one of you, to take a pledge that I will follow this sincerely 100%. I want you to type it in the chat window. Every one of you, please type it in the chat window or switch on your mic and say, I will follow the health tracker sincerely 100%. I will fulfill it. Please type it in your chat window. This is a affirmation which will help you to do it for the next 14 days. It will help. Please do the typing. Take a pledge. Thank you so much, Manju madam. Yes, in the tracker already the sequence is there. Wonderful, wonderful. I'm so happy that you're all doing this pledge. This pledge is very important. Thank you, Sridevi garu. Thank you, VPL and Sharma garu. Thank you, Mukesh Bansal garu. Thank you, Nikita madam. Thank you, Vidya Krishna garu. Wonderful. This affirmation which you are doing, it is not a simple affirmation. It will transform your life. You will see wonderful change in your life. And I'm so happy you're all taking this pledge of following it sincerely 100%. Thank you, Ajay Kumar garu, Venkatesh garu. Thank you, Aisha madam, Manoj Kumar garu. So the sequence is already in the tracker, madam, and also your personal health coach will help you with the sequence. But generally, after applying the oil, we do the exercise. Thank you, Nikita madam, 19-year-old daughter of Srikant garu. We just had a word with Srikant garu in the earlier meeting. Thank you, Nikita. Thank you, Sai Kumar garu. Oh, Sai Kumar garu has already made the tracker and is raring to go. Wonderful. Wonderful, Sai Kumar garu. Wonderful. Very nice. Thank you, Jayanti madam. Thank you, Nidish ji. Yeah, Pushpalata madam, you can ask your question.
హలో నమస్తే సార్.
చెప్పండి మేడం.
సార్ మీరు నువ్వుల నూనె అవన్నీ రెడీ చేసుకోమని చెప్పారు కదా సార్.
అవును
సార్ అవి ఇక్కడ ప్రెసెంట్ నాకు అవైలబిలిటీ లేదు. ఒక 2 days
నువ్వుల నూనె లేకపోతే మీరు ఏ నూనె ఉంటే అది, శనగ నూనె కావచ్చు, లేకపోతే ఆవాల నూనె కావచ్చు, నెయ్యి ఉంటే నెయ్యి, ఏది ఉంటే అది.
కొబ్బరి నూనె సార్.
కొబ్బరి నూనె బెస్ట్ కొబ్బరి నూనె. కోకోనట్ ఆయిల్ ఇస్ బెస్ట్.
ఓకే సార్.
డోంట్ హ్యావ్ తిల్ ఆయిల్.
ఇవన్నీ కూడా లేదు సార్. 2 days లో నేను
మేడం
త్రిఫల చూర్ణం.
నో ప్రాబ్లం. మీకు మీ హెల్త్ కోచ్ అసైన్ చేస్తారు కదా, వాళ్ళు మీకు ఆల్టర్నేటివ్స్ కూడా చెప్తారు.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Okay, thank you, Nikita. I have seen that Suryapeta has also registered. I am so happy that all of your family members have, in first group your father and your uncle have joined, in second group your brother and your mom, and now your brother and you. I'm so happy that you all are joining, and I can see the ideal family there. I can see your family inspiring so many other people. Already your father has inspired so many others to join our group. Niranjan ji from Tirupati and so many others. I'm so happy. Nikita?
Hello, Anaya.
First,
Nikita's father has joined, and then her mother and brother has joined. Both brothers are MBBS doctors. So they have, the brother and mother have done it meticulously, very nicely, in a very well manner, and they have benefited also. They have seen some tremendous changes, and now younger sister and the other brother are joining. Very nice of them, actually.
Great, wonderful. And Manju madam, we have already sent the sample tracker to the emails. Again, we will send it today in the WhatsApp group. You can start preparing it using that. We will send a Word document so that you will be able to easily edit, and you can leave some gaps every 7 or 10 health tasks. You can leave a gap so that you can add new ones which you can think of. Yes. Immediately now we will send it. We have 3 more minutes before we complete this thing. So if you have any other doubts, you can ask. So you can also send your comfortable actual time of waking up and the lunch time and dinner time, so that we will be able to remind you, because people from abroad, they are from different states in USA, so we don't know your time and what is your time according to our own time. So that please inform us, so that our reminders will be promptly calling you if at all you fail doing these things. So our idea is to gently push you till you easily cope up with the speed and you easily adjust, so that all these tasks that get included in your daily routine, whatever you are doing, however busy you are, these tasks will help you increase your productivity. The same task, whatever work you are doing regularly, if you take 3 hours to do it, if you are following all these tasks, you will be able to do them within 1 hour, because your creativity, your grasping power, your productivity, your memory power, all these things will increase, and physical fitness also will increase. You will be able to endure extended periods of work also, and also you will be having awareness of what is happening in your body, and in the initial stages only, whatever body is sending the signals, you will be able to understand, and you will be able to correct the things which are going wrong, and you will never have to face diseases. If at all you start communicating with the body, you will learn the art of communication with your body. This is the one common feedback of all the previous participants. They are saying that we are very, very nicely communicating with our body. We are able to see what is happening in each and every part of our body. Our body is nicely communicating, and our self is understanding and taking right decisions. This is the consistent feedback of all the previous participants. So thank you so much. And we have 1 more minute. If anyone wants to ask anything, if anything is not clear, you can ask. The one we have filled is based on Vikriti. Mind body constitution score, the one we fill based on Vikriti, should this be based on Prakriti? No. The one one you have filled is should be based on Prakriti, what is natural to you. Like suddenly, for example, your color is dark and suddenly it has become pale. So now you should not write that your skin is pale or fair. You have to write what is natural. Whatever Vikruti is there, whatever thing happened differently. Suddenly you gained a lot of weight, but naturally you were lean. So whatever was natural to you right from your birth, that you have to choose in your mind body questionnaire. And whatever you are right now, that you have to choose. Whatever you want to become, that you should not choose. And please understand that all the qualities or traits which are there in different groups, they are natural to you, those people. There is nothing like a good trait or bad trait. We have our own strengths, our own weaknesses, and they are natural to us. You should not choose the right one. You should choose what is natural to you, and that is the right one. Yes. So we have completed our session. I think all of you have followed the Your Health and Your Hands workshop properly. That's why you are not getting any doubts. But I am sure you will get more and more doubts from tomorrow onwards. Once you start practicing it, you will face hurdles. Let us all accept this, that we will face hurdles, but we will never ever stop when we face a hurdle. We will take the help of our health coach, and health coach will take us along and help us cross these hurdles. This will happen. Never stop because you face a hurdle or roadblock. We have solutions for all these roadblocks. You have committed 100%, you will follow this thing. So we should follow it, whatever, irrespective of the roadblocks, and we are here to help you. Thank you so much for giving your time, valuable time. And the next 14 days, we are going to rock. Our journey will be wonderful, smooth sailing journey. We will try to make it entertaining also. We will keep some nice challenges and competitions and all those things. You will see how exciting it will be. Venkatesh Garu, are you want to speak something?
Yes, sir. Sundar sir, what about that health tracker? When we will get that?
Yeah. Just now in your, have you joined the WhatsApp group? Have you joined the WhatsApp group?
Yes, sir. Yes, I have.
So now in the WhatsApp group, we will post a Word document, editable Word document, so that you can edit according to your own this thing, your own comfort. We will send it right now, immediately after this thing. We have already sent to the emails, actually.
Sir, actually, the problem is he is staying in Kuwait, so Rajni could not able to catch him. So, so she called a couple of times, but she could not. That number is different, na? So you should take
no problem, Venkateshji. Just keep in touch with us till we get in tuned with your time. Just keep in touch with us.
Sure, sir. Sure. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you all. Thank you so much. So I am Dr. Sundaraj Perumal. You might all knowing about me. So, and I have my own team ready for you, to serve you, to help you. Take the help of our team. Yes, I will send this recorded video in the WhatsApp group. I will upload it immediately, maybe today night. I will upload it. Please stop the recording, Srinivas Garu, so that we will get this thing. So we will upload it. So you can share